I'm Deborah Borchardt, and this is your midday market update. Well, we started the day in the red territory, but boy, we are now firmly back into positive green territory. That dip buying mentality still in force. I'm here with Alan Valdes from DME Securities. So, Alan, we can't go down hardly at all before buyers come back in. We've got Google now at $900 a share. You know, people are going to start to wonder, at what point do we get frothy?
You know, you would think that. But here we are. I mean, we're up 14%, and it's not even the end of May. So, I mean, the S&Ps. So, I mean, I believe that as long as the feds are infusing this market with $85 billion a month, and they keep saying their main mandate is unemployment at 6.5, you're not going to see that. And maybe at the end of the year. Will they ease up? It's possible, but it's still going to keep people in this market. It's the only place to go. And like you said, every dip, the buyers come pouring in. And that's what we're seeing it. And we're seeing more and more retail people come in. The end of April, the last week of April, we had $2 billion leave stocks. They're coming back in.
Well, like you said, this is the only game in town. No one wants to be in bonds right now. You're not going to make any money there. And with these stocks running and running, you just don't want to be out of this and miss it.
No, you're 100% right. I mean, look at Google, prime example, over 900. I mean, it's incredible. Apple's the only one that seems to be suffering lately. It just keeps, coming in a little. But even that's going to find a floor, and people are going to go back into Apple. No, I think if you're on the sideline waiting for a correction, you might not see it this time because, and I'll tell you why, because of program trading. It's a different mentality out there. Some people in this market for only 15 minutes, 70% of those tape trades are computerized trading. So every time it comes down to a level, they jump back into computers. It's not like people are panicking saying, I got to stay out and watch it. The computers know exactly when to bounce back in, and they'll push it right back up.
And then the retail buyers follow.
Yeah, and then unfortunately they get right back in after the computers. But yeah, it's a constant, and it's a constant buying frenzy. It really is. It's a melt up we're seeing.
All right, well, we're seeing this melt up. Alan thinks we could probably go another, 10%?
I'll tell you the way it is. And with the news out of China now, China may open the Chinese retail customers to invest in America. If that happens, all bets are off. This market's going real high.
All right, well, there you go. I hope Alan is right, because this is fantastic news for all of us with our 401ks. That's Alan Valdes from DME Securities, and I'm Deborah Borchardt with The Street.